think Domino's winning now, because Domino's staring the most.
Stare down, Pippa and Domino. Here we go. So let's see who wins. Isabel, look at window. Look at window. Pippa and them.
I think Domino's in the best position here. Domino's not moved.
Staring at each other. There they go. They're going for it.
But what are you betting, Isabel? Which one do you think looks away first?
Pippa.
I think Pippa's going to move. Oh no, Domino's twitching.
Domino.
Oh no! Right.
Yes, Pippa!
I didn't bet, okay, I didn't bet anything. I think Pips needs to stop playing the game now. Pips like, come back. Domino's really not interested though. She's just like, I can't be able to play this game.
Good.